Hey everybody, how's it going? Today let's take a quick look at this 1999 Toyota Sienna XLE. And this is going to be a brief tour of the Sienna. We'll start it up, show the engine, go over the performance data, and show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. And today, I'm at All City Auto Sales in Indian Trail, North Carolina. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up and let it run. Gold and silver exterior with brown leather interior. $133,000 miles. Leather wrapped steering wheel, 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, digital clock, rear defrost, simple to use climate control, AC, recycling and vent, and your different zones. Rear air control, cup holders, place to put a garage door opener, auto dimming rear view mirror, full power driver's seat, does have a tilt steering wheel, radio controls on the steering wheel, automatic down driver's window, your power locks, power mirrors, padded stitched door paneling, easy sliding doors. They are manually sliding and tilting. Rear air controls, cup holders. By pulling this lever, it folds it out to a small tray and modest cup holders. Roomy rear seat. Manual passenger seat. The Sienna comes with a 3-liter V6. Nice and quiet. And let's go and see how it sounds. Very smooth motor. Regarding rear space, the Sienna packs plenty, especially with the seats folded down. For the back passengers, when these are folded down, it doubles as a tray and small cup holders. The seats are removable. The vehicle's mats, jack stowage, and shut it down. Hope you guys enjoyed the brief tour on the 1999 Toyota Sienna. Be sure to stay tuned next time, there's a lot more where that came from. Take care, everybody.